Welcome back to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products on the market. Today, we're going to talk about something that's crucial for protecting your personal information: the Mungyo Identity Theft Protector Privacy Protection Stick. If you've ever worried about your sensitive information falling into the wrong hands, this is the best blackout marker for documents you'll ever need. When it comes to safeguarding your privacy, this blackout marker does an excellent job of protecting confidential data. It's simple to use and highly effective, ensuring that your sensitive information stays secure. Whether you're dealing with paper, cardboard, plastic, or even packaging, the Mungyo Identity Theft Protector provides a reliable solution for all your redacting needs. Its powerful blackout ink completely obscures text, making it unreadable and impossible to trace. The design of this marker is both innovative and convenient. With its roll-on feature, the ink goes on smoothly and consistently, making it easy to cover large sections or small bits of text. The ergonomic design ensures that it's comfortable to hold, giving you precise control as you protect your information. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, this portable tool is compact enough to carry with you everywhere, making it incredibly convenient for your daily needs. Durability is another standout feature. The Mungyo Privacy Protection Stick is made from high-quality materials that ensure the marker lasts a long time. You won't have to worry about it running out of ink quickly or becoming ineffective after just a few uses. The ink is designed to provide long-lasting protection, so you can rely on it over time. One of the key benefits of this product is its versatility. Not only does it work on paper, but it can also be used on plastic, cardboard, and various types of packaging. This makes it ideal for dealing with everything from bank statements and bills to personal packages and private letters. No more worrying about prying eyes reading through your confidential information. So if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and effective way to keep your personal information secure, the Mungyo Identity Theft Protector is your go-to product. Whether you're protecting documents at home or on the move, it's the perfect solution for anyone who values their privacy. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more product breakdowns, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching and stay protected.